Hi Pavan, how are you?
Yeah, good sir. What about you?
I'm good too. So finally, it's a time to talk about your journey with the NG networks. Finally, you got placed. We are happy, and hopefully, you are happy too. So
Yes, sir. I'm
Pavan,
very happy.
I usually start with the very first question, like how did you come to know about the NG networks?
So one of my friend working as a network engineer. While she's doing his job, I searched for some institutes, some in Bangalore. With through her, I got this NG network opportunity. I have joined in NG networks. Then I started learning basics and advance of networking NDS course.
Okay, so your friend refer you.
Yeah, sir.
So he or she got trained by us or something like that, or they are aware about us.
They are aware about us, you sir, your NG networks.
What feedback they shared that you joined us?
You just trust them, like you don't ask any much questions. Usually ask a lot of questions to the mentors while learning. So she said at the time of joining, you just trust them and learn them and practice that what they are giving the tasks and attend all the screenings and clear every screening in single attempt only. Don't take much time.
How come she or he?
Huh?
Is she a male or female? I mean, that person.
Female sir. Female sir.
How did she know about this much about us?
Sir, she attended she saw many research in Google sir. She saw many reviews and some other friends also suggested the same. So then she fixed and we should go there and you just join there. Then you will become the better opportunity over there.
I'm very happy with your feedback now. So finally, things comes to the track now. People can trust us because in this past 10 years journey of NG Network, since the very beginning, I need to explain them. I need to give the guarantee and lot of things. Trust me, blah blah things. So I'm happy with your feedback. At least someone blindly faith us on behalf of our feedback in the market. Chalo, very good. So finally, you joined. You already referred by someone. You trust us. So how was the training part when the training started?
Sir, training part was actually awesome, sir. Like when I started learning, before I'm joining NG Networks, I don't know about anything about routers and switches. After now, I can confidently say I will know everything in routing and switching because of NG Networks. I have cleared all the screens in first attempt as well, and I cleared my first interview only.
Acha, is it?
Yeah, sir.
Smart guy, intelligent, nice.
It's all because of you, sir.
Thank you very much, and it's your hard work as well, Pavan, undoubtedly. So,
thank you, sir.
Don't you ever think that you're from the? We are having the main office in Delhi and second office in Hyderabad. So, have you ever having that mindset, ki boss, they are quite far or something going to happen, something would be negative could be happen?
No, sir. I will trust directly people. When I meet people, I will trust them. Like they see me having conversation with them, how they speaking with us, like in virtually or like directly. It's about the words, like how we are talking with people. That is the main thing important to me. Like when I spoke with you and when I attended the counseling at the time of us, like it was I have fixed. Okay, we can trust them. They are good at in this. If you are saying in that market so staying in that so long, we can trust them. At least we have to give a chance.
That's really nice. At least you give us the chance. So you attended my webinar, which I took online.
No, sir. My friend only attended that. She only attended. She attended everything from your like Namita's mom counselings, everything. Then she told me like you can join that and you can learn this topics. She tell about the brief structure also. What kind of topics you will learn in this NDS course, and how it will be like basic and advanced and real time. After that, you can learn some other topics as well.
You must be thankful to her now. Is
yeah,
she
sir. Yeah, sir. She's working. She's working as a network engineer.
So now finally you got placed. So who's on the higher package now? I'm just asking.
No, sir. She's higher than me package.
No problem. That's really nice. Achha, tell me about once the way we are providing the training from the technical part to the real time part. So the exchange of this training from the technical, you completed each and everything that you explained. Then you move to the real time. How was that part? What is the difference you understand between the real time and the technical training which we provide before?
Sir, coming back to the training, like when it started from basics, at the time you have to learn the basics from the bottom of the what we can say like bottom of the root. From there we can start. From when it comes to the advanced, we'll finish from the end of the tree. So that is the main thing. And with the time of at the time of continuing the training, the main thing is important screenings and doing practicing daily. Like the mentor we provided, who I trained in the mentor, it was very helpful me. She was very supportive to me, and she helped me a lot in the practicing sessions as well. And when I have a doubt, I just direct ask her, ma'am, if I have so and so doubt, could you please clear me? She replied me within seconds, and she solved every question to me. Like in the part of like coming to the training, the screening is most helpful me, sir. Like because I have screen nervous, like when I'm attending to the interviews, I was little bit nervous. I'm not being so nervous. So I have, when I started attending the screening first time, I thought, okay, with the fear, I learned complete basics, sir. First time when I'm attending this first screening, like I don't know what kind of questions we will ask and how it will be the first screening. At the time I thought, okay, why don't we learn all the basic concept? Why we would have to read only some important types? I have to read all the topics. What will they ask? I will answer that. That will, like, every person to need to know what is screening, what is the importance of it. Like because of that we can understand what is happening in this. What kind of questions we'll
actually I'm coming to that part as well about the screening, but before that I want to know about the importance of real-time training.
Yeah, sir, real time is like it was good when it comes to real time. It will give you an industrial knowledge with how it works, and in real time projects how we have to handle the issues, ticketing and problem management, everything, day-to-day network issues facing in the project. Sorry, sir. Like handling the most of the, we have to know like how architectures will develop in network in real time. This was so helpful me too, sir.
That's really nice. So finally, let's come to the next part, that is the placement part. How was the placement part, the coordination? There are a number of people who joined you, because commonly in the institute, when you join a normal institute, you have counselors, you have trainers, and then you will move to the there is a guy who is helping you out with the resume and all this placement. I'm not that much aware, but I already trained. There was a time when I completed my training. So this is what I have seen in the institute. But here we have a dedicated manager of each department. So when you move from the technical to the real time, from real time to the placement. So how was the placement team?
So actually within 1 month only I got a placement. It is my first place interview, and I cleared that. I have to thank you like Anjali ma'am and Rinku also. Rinku sir has helped a lot in this process. Like each and every question is solved, and they call directly to me and answer the questions. What kind of questions you have, you can ask me directly. So whenever I got a question regarding the interview placement, like placement process, I just call them, or I dropped a text in to the ma'am or sir, and they will positively responding to my messages. Like when I started placement process, I thought, okay, it will take some time. I can take like 2-3 months, so I have to prepare myself. Then I started. One fine day, Rinku sir told me, like, you just prepare yourself and give the best. I thought, okay, so I'll have to try myself. So I started learning, and from the basics to the real time. So when coming to the interview calls, they ask me the resume. Once I have, interact with you, sir, like recently before this process. At that time you have corrected my resume as well. With that also have a lot of helpful for me. Because with that also I got opportunities now.
Yes, this is my job, just to update your resume. In the beginning I told your friend must be aware of it. This is what I covered in my webinar part. So let's move forward. Finally, your praise. So what package we have committed to you when you joined the NG Networks?
It was 6, sir.
What package you get?
7.2.
So how are you feeling now, the package, what we committed and what you get?
Sir, actually I'm very happy, sir. Like this was I will feel like it was an opportunity to prove myself through from your end. Like, and I have to refer more friends to you, because now this stage I'm at, okay, I have got an opportunity. I can settle in my career. So further I have to suggest my friends who are like suffering in the career. Like I have to suggest them to go and meet that people, and you can learn from there. So in that process, you will gain knowledge at least. If you don't interested, you can quit if any time, but you have at least gain knowledge from them, what they are saying. That is the most important. Knowledge is never wasteful, sir, in my point of view.
True.
Knowledge will be like any time it will be useful. Not at this time, but anytime it will be useful to the person who learns it with interest.
Exactly. So now finally I want to ask the question regarding the screening part. Like I have seen most of the students scared because of the screening. Now tell me, what is the importance of this screening?
Sir, screening will improve the attend, like what kind of questions they are asking first thing, and how we have to give the screening, and how they are how we are answering is the most important. Or we are explaining, we are answering like in short way, briefly, and in detail to understand them. But that is the main thing. With the screening process, we can like clear the interest easily. That was helpful to me, like in my past screening. With the help of that for past screenings, I have cleared my interview.
Great.
This was very helpful.
This is helpful. Acha, any message you want to give to your juniors or those are into the placement as of now? Any message you want to give them?
Sir, I want to give just one thing, sir. Trust yourself and do hard work and do practice and do learn everything what they are giving. Don't do anything. Just learn what they are saying. And if you want, you can learn from outside also. If you want to learn in depth, you can Google it and you can have some like RFC codes. With that, you can learn everything. That's the main thing. You have to do hard work and learn practice. These things are enough. That will make you perfect in any domain.
That's true. And any message to the people who are watching this video because they are skeptical whether they should join or not, whether we are genuine or not?
Before when you join, you just fix as in your mind, just you are a network engineer. Definitely, you just fix that in your mind. You are a network engineer. I'm working as a network in the future. I have to prepare for that. You have to ready to solve any task in that performance, like in routing or part of switching bot.
They're afraid, like whether we are genuine or not. So in that context, what message you can give them?
Sir, like I say you are genuine, sir, because I have through the process of placement and training, I have seen meet directly with the people and I contacted every person in the HR and placement process and the training department and counseling department. I have a conversation with every person. I never feel they are like fake people. I never thought they are fake people. In the way they talking with me, like I feel genuine only, sir.
Thank you very much. So Pavan, all the very best, and let's plan something bigger into the future. This is the first phase that you have covered. In the future we have different things to plan and grow for more and more. So don't worry about it and stay in touch with us, and thank you very much. It was a really amazing feedback that you have shared.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any message that you want to give to my team and me as well and the entire engine networks?
No, sir. I don't want to give any feedback to your staff, like because they're already best to the best. That's what I want to say. That's it.
Thank you very much, Pavan. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Same to you.